Hello everyone, today I will guide you how we can automate SmartLead and Attio. So here are the client requirements. So if it is a positive reply, it should update the records, add notes and move to warm leads pipeline, the deal stage. So if it is do not contact or unsubscribe, we need to update records, add notes and add it to DNC list, do not contact list. So similarly, we have to create the automation for out of office, wrong person, no correct contact, correct contact. So in this video I will be only going with the positive replies. So we first have to create the webhook here in make.com and put that webhook URL in SmartLead. So if you go into the settings, you can see a menu on the left side, and when you click on webhook you will be able to add a new webhook, and you have to write the name here, add the webhook URL here that you will get from make.com webhook module, and you can select the event type, whether it is email reply or whatever you want, but for now we will be needing the email reply. And yeah, your webhook will be created here, and your automation will be fetching data from live events in SmartLead. Whenever there will be a reply, this will pop up with some results with the exact text of the reply. And then we have ChatGPT here that we are using to analyze the results. So we have given some commands like, you are an AI assistant, your job is to classify the reply based on the given categories like interested, meeting request, information request, not interested, out of office and things like that. And based on the results, we are parsing the data in JSON, and we have some variables like interested, meeting request. We're separating the data based on the JSON or the analyzation by ChatGPT. And then we have a text parser that is actually getting the name from the result of the fourth module, and then we are trying to find that lead based on the email address. So we have given the email address here in this module, and this will give us the lead data. And then we have a filter like, if the lead exists, in that case we have to update the lead category by campaign. So here in this step we will put the campaign ID, lead ID, and then we will add the lead category ID. So it will be updated according to the category. This category ID is actually coming from the fourth module, where we have set the values according to the categories. These values are actually from SmartLead. So yeah, it will update that, and then we have a filter like, if the category is interested or meeting request or information request. So all these mean the lead is interested. In that case, we will create or update a person in Attio. So that is very simple. You will just have to create a step or module of Attio, and we're searching, we're putting the name here, email here, and then whatever the values you will be getting from previous steps, you can put that here. And we're also adding notes, deal create and task. I can't open these tabs because there is API key in that, so that's for security concern. But yeah, this is really cool automation you can just create for yourself and implement for your business, and save your time, man. See you in next video for the next parts. Thank you.